Rocky Knob. What are we doing today?
Shredding the Rocky Knob.
The what?
Shredding the Rocky Knob.
Word. The Rocky Knob.
The Rocky Knob.
Boone, North Kakalaki. So we climbed up Rocky Branch, and then we get our first hard left. We turn, and we're going up middle of nowhere. And it's steep. And then from middle of nowhere, we're going on to Boat Rock.
Don't rock my boat.
Middle Earth goes that way. Don't rock your boat. Too late for that, bro.
Right.
And we're carrying on. Through the dark and airy woods they roll.
Here we are. Taking a little bit of a break.
2.4 miles into our climb.
And I am
About there.
almost smoked.
You just need to loosen up.
Word. I need to burn off those 2 eggs and toast.
Well, you're working on it.
If I had one egg and one piece of bread, I probably would have been good.
It's either that or those 12 beers last night.
12 beers.
Oh, sorry, it was 20, wasn't it? My bad.
I only had 4 beers.
Yeah.
And only 3 of them were 16 ounces, and I had one 12-ounce session.
That doesn't constitute
Which was the equivalent of drinking my own piss.
Alright, we rolling. Alright. We're at Dolphin Disco. So we just came up. Now we're going up Old Hoss, it looks like. Yep. Read it. Obey it. Okay. So I'm going Black Forest, double black that way. I'm gonna go check that trail out. New Boss. My brother's going down that. He's on the stash, so he's gonna take the route that's not gonna beat him to death. And I'm not sure what Dave's doing.
He's gearing up.
He's gearing up. All right. Black Forest Trail. Let's go check it out. Yeah, sweet. Oh yeah, this is freaking rugged. Oh yeah. Don't know what's there, so we're going this way. Take a look. Oh, sick. Oh, drop roller. Lots of techie stuff on this trail. Sick. Definitely need to look at a lot of this stuff before you hit it. Make sure you know what's coming.
Whoa. 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 Was he on this?
Yeah. It's coming up. This is it. This is where we're supposed to meet him.
Blue Dream, yeah.
Oh, there they are. Woo! A little too hot there. Step down.
That's Solomon. What is that?
That's the easy out.
Oh.
See how it feels. Oh yeah, you gotta be able to clear that fast. Oh my God. Yeah, there's no way. All right, we're gonna hit the jam, see what it's all about. Go check it out, see what it's all about, see what they have. that's pretty sweet. All right, skills area. Following these guys. Oh, that's sick.
Barry and Loman in the house.
Hey, fellas!
What's happening, man?
How's it going?
How you guys?
We just finished up Black Forest.
How was that?
Oh, it was great. Great
It
trip.
is killer, isn't it? Yeah, I said that this morning.
It's in good condition.
Yeah, we saw it where you were at Moonshine Brewery last night, and I was like, "Damn."
Yeah, well, actually, we were at the Food Craft,
I
right?
think it is Food Craft.
It's just a little restaurant. It's just unbelievable food.
So good.
Really good, right in downtown Boone. I think it was called Food Craft. Yeah, they had just everything was amazing.
Dude,
Yeah.
they had shepherd's pie. It was like, instead of a pie crust, it was mashed potatoes on biscuits with gravy on top of it. Oh my god. To die for.
I'll follow him. Oh, I see.
Huh? Oh. Right into the rock. Ah! Did you get it that time?
Way too slow.
Whoa!
Yeah, it's fun. Huh?
What would you do? Would you try to get to the dirt, or would you try to get to the wood?
Pretty much stay in the middle.
Right in the middle. Nice. Perfect. Oh, that's a steep one. Step down. Step over. Step around. Not too bad, actually. That one wasn't. That one's pretty steep. Oof. Another step down, gap. Ugh. Rocky.
Oh, there you are. Wow. What's the verdict?
He didn't like it, and I kind of agree with him.
I like the Black Forest, I guess what's called. That was super sick. I enjoyed that. It was worth the climb because it was just straight downhill, chunky, gnarly, good stuff. Blue Dream was a good, fun, flowy, and jump line, tabletops. Yeah. Anyway, check it out if you're up this way.